After much research and much drama, I finally got a lawnmower to take care of this yard. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Share this video if appropriate. Let me show you about the first use of my lawnmower on flat terrain. I purchased this mower from Lowe's and paid a total of $350.90 for it. This is what happened. I have a viewer who made a comment on a previous video about me not knowing how to use the pre-measured oil. He made this comment before I even deployed this video. As I said, this is not a tutorial from a pro video. This is more of what happened to a novice report. It does come with oil. I think it had a little bit in there from the factory. I have no idea how much to put in there. Instructions are completely unclear. So I guess they're assuming that if you bought this lawnmower, that you know what you're doing, which is not the case here. And really and truly, I think that instructions should be really clear, like, you know, for idiots. That's not even effective. Look at that. I'm beginning to be very disillusioned with this lawnmower. Look, it's not even giving me a clear reading. That sucks. I guess I'm just going to go with that. Actually, hell, let's just put it all in here. They're not going to be any better than that. If I tear it up, first 30 days, I'll just take it back and get all my money back, right? Serve what they get. Consumer action. Need a new gas can too. This one leaks. Let's just see if it's going to start and work with that much gas in it. I wasted too much of a valuable resource. Alright. This thing doesn't start, I'm going to be extremely disappointed. Extremely disappointed. I'm just going to cut it with the blade where it is right now. Look at that. This thing keeps getting worse and worse. It's supposed to be a no choke. It says hold down engine control handle, and everything up here says drive control and blade control. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 1 Yes, now let's mow. Now let's see if it'll start like that again. I have other videos up about using this TroyBilt TB320 mower. Those videos are linked at the end of this video. One is the use of the mower on uneven terrain. Another video shows the unboxing and assembly of the TroyBilt TB320 mower. There was some trouble. This is the flattest section of yard that I have. Most of the area that needs mowing is very uneven. That is one reason why I bought the rear wheel drive TroyBilt TB320. TroyBilt, you tried to confuse me with your confusing instructions, but no. TroyBilt 1, Kimmy 2, Kimmy win. All fun and games aside, the real test of a mower for me is, can I drink my beloved Monster drink while I'm mowing? Which we'll see. Is this going to work? I can't even open the can. Let's give it the real acid test. Yes, you can. Yay. That's good news. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share this video if appropriate, and you can watch one of the other videos that are floating around about some more of the TroyBilt lawnmower drama. Until next time, a manicured lawn is a pretty lawn. Well, okay. yard. Bye.